How to fix Instagram not showing camera roll photos. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Apps and Notifications. After you click on Apps and Notifications, you'll find Instagram. Click on Instagram in here, which will lead you to this page. Click on Storage and Cache in here, which is the third option. After you're in Storage and Cache, click on Clear Cache and click on Clear Storage at the top. After you've done that, you can simply go back and then click on Permissions, which is the second option. After you click on Permissions, click on Camera. After you click on Camera, make sure it's Allow Access to Media Only. Make sure you do the same thing with Files and Media's permissions. After you do that, if it's still not working, open Gallery, click on what you're gonna post or what is not showing up and press on Share. After that, you can simply click on Feed, Reels, Messages, or Stories. Select one and you will be able to see the photo. This is how to fix Instagram not showing camera roll photos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.